Hi friends, this is my 11th lecture of power system series. In my previous video, I told you about solid conductors, and I also told you that there is a problem of skin effect in solid conductors. So now in this video, we are going to discuss skin effect. The problem of skin effect is associated with the alternating current. When alternating current flows in a conductor, then this current has tendency to flow near the surface of conductor. So when this current flows near the surface of conductor, this effect is called skin effect. Now we will discuss that why AC current has tendency to flow near the surface of conductor. See, we know that when AC current flows, then magnetic field is produced. As this current is alternating, so flux will also be alternating. So the direction of magnetic field can be given by right hand thumb rule. See this conductor. Here current is flowing in upward direction. So by right hand thumb rule, direction of magnetic field will be anti-clockwise. Due to alternating flux, EMF will be produced. And by Lenz law, we know that this EMF will oppose its cause. So here cause of EMF is main field H. To oppose this cause or to oppose the main field H, eddy currents will be generated in the conductor, and these eddy currents are generated in such a direction that it will oppose the main field H. See this figure. Here current is in upward direction, so main field will be in anti-clockwise direction. It is shown by dark black loop here. You can see this dark black loop is magnetic field in anti-clockwise direction. Now direction of this field at any point on this circle will be tangent to this circle. So we can show this direction of magnetic field at any point as tangent to this circle. Here see, here main field will be outside the plane, means it is moving out of your screen, because you are viewing it and you can imagine that this magnetic field is moving out of your screen. Okay, so field due to eddy current must be inside the screen, means it must be going inside your computer screen. Only in that case this eddy current will oppose the main field edge. So the direction of eddy current loop must be such that it create a field which will oppose this main field. So for this reason, the direction of eddy current loop must be clockwise. When it is clockwise, then field will be away from the viewer, or you can imagine it as it is going inside your computer screen. Okay, and the direction of this magnetic field can be given by right hand thumb rule. Similarly, see here, direction of this eddy current loop must be anti-clockwise. Now see this conductor. Here in this conductor, see at these points, this and this point, eddy current is opposite to the main current. And at these points, that is near the surface of conductor, eddy current and main current are in same direction. So from this we can conclude that it is very clear, as we move towards the center, then eddy current opposes the main current, and as we move towards the surface of conductor, then eddy current aids the main current. That's why current increases as we move towards the surface of conductor, and this will happen only in case of alternating current. So this is very unique way to explain the skin effect. I hope you all understand this concept. If you appreciate my efforts, then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram.